Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. Hyatt Centric, South Beach, Miami. Allegedly $1,500 for a queen bed. I suppose the highest rate here. You can see Hyatt Centric, World of Hyatt rewards marketed throughout the room. Start here in the bathroom. Have a walk-in shower with a glass sliding door. You can see the nozzle, the fixtures here in the back, zooming into the attached shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Toilet to the back. Nothing really special there. Over here, you can see multiple mirrors, tissues set up in the bathroom. Large mirror here, can zoom in, you can see going back, and a side mirror here, I suppose for makeup. Moving around to the main area, another side mirror. You could see a little table. Housekeeping put extra water and coffee supplies here. Moving around to the main room, not too wide. You can see an ironing board inside the side closet, and up here looks like a safe area, space for luggage, shoes, and some drawers. Going into the main area, see a refrigerator included with the room, and coffee maker, Keurig coffee maker, supplies on the desk, and more water bottles. Complimentary water with the Hyatt Globalist status. Over here, seeing the TV, Hyatt Centric, South Beach, Miami is where we are. It is January 11th, time of recording this video. A table here for a laptop. Lots of space for luggage. This is a 2-queen bed room. Lots of pillows. Looks like 2 decorative pillows or 1 body pillow. In the center, the hotel phone. Several outlets in the middle. And on the side here, zooming in, a reading light, USB, and more outlets. Some art on the wall. You can see the view outside. They said this is the city view. 1 floor up would be the ocean view. Space over here for bags. No side couch, no side chair. So you just have seating space next to the bed. And the view outside. Moving around here, we see a parking garage, the closest thing here. The parking was included with the Hyatt Globalist status. Looking out, you can see some other hotels here. Royal Palm. Across the street is the Loews Hotel, Loews, Loews Hotel. Lots of palm trees. I took the valet parking option that was included with the Hyatt Global status parking as well, and the Miami skyline. Lots to see here. Hyatt Centric, South Beach, Miami. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. Thanks for tuning in, and more videos to come.